friend, it's true, you only need to create a budget one time in your life. Every transaction you make today affects your entire financial future, so your budget needs to reflect those calculations. You should be able to plug in your grocery spending habits today and see how those same spending habits affect your financial future 10, 20, and 30 years from now. You should be able to see exactly when your debt will be paid off a few months or a few years from now. You should be able to see if you're able to afford to purchase a car 15 years from now when the one you are currently driving should be replaced. You should be able to see when your house is paid off and if your retirement investments are enough to cover your expenses after you retire. You should be able to calculate that you are truly building wealth and leaving a legacy for your children. While in theory you may be realizing this all makes perfect sense, no one is showing you how to create and utilize the budget that calculates all this. Before I continue, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I share valuable information on how to get organized in your spaces, finances, and life. Give this video a like and comment below anything you find helpful or any requests you may have. We just completed our budgeting challenge. We covered financial goals everyone must make in their lifetime, evaluated your spending for 2020, estimated your spending for 2021, figured out what debt payoff method works best for you, reduced your expenses, and figured out how to take all the money you saved from reducing your expenses and paying off your debts and put it all towards your financial goals so you can truly build wealth. So if you haven't already, be sure to grab your free budget template from my freebie library. The link is below. As promised, now that we have completed setting up your budget for this entire year, I am finally sharing how to create a lifetime budget. I've been working in accounting and finance for 16 years, almost 17, and I've used quite a few different accounting systems. When I began my financial journey on the wrong foot 17 years ago, as I left my finances in the care of someone else, I was starting not even from zero but from negative. I immediately dove into doing everything I could to get my finances in order, and I share all about that in another video. Over the years, as I experienced working in finance in different capacities, for nonprofits, for business, and personal finances for individuals, I continued to build upon the budgeting system I created for myself as I gathered knowledge from my experiences in these different capacities. Eventually, I was able to customize everything I needed, including everything from calculating how to maximize using a credit card so that I could earn as many rewards as possible and always pay it off, to calculating how to see if my retirement investments would cover my living expenses, and a whole lot of other financial goals we must track. Randomly, throughout the years, I would help others who asked me for help to set up a budget, and they would be shocked at how easy it was to pay off their debt, and I even forgot that I showed one of my friends how to use my budget, and 7 years later I found out that she was still using it. I love helping people get their finances in order. I love showing them how easy it is to stay on top of their finances and how easy it is to calculate how your financial decisions today affect your financial future. So far, I was only able to help people who came to me and had time to sit down with me so that I could show them my system that I would customize for them. There are no other systems that are as customizable as mine. We all have different incomes, different expenses, different financial goals, which all need to be tracked and calculated specifically for you. So that's why I have created my masterclass to show you what I am talking about in much more detail. This class goes live at this time. It's a bit of a time commitment because you really need to take the time to watch and listen to the class to really truly grasp what I am showing you. This is only for those of you who are serious about getting your finances in order. This masterclass is for you if you are new to budgeting and want to start your financial journey off the best way possible. This is also for you if you are serious about paying your debt off as quickly as possible with the least amount of finance charges. It is also for you if you want to be able to know how to calculate paying for major purchases whenever they may come up, like purchasing vehicles, homes, planning for children, paying for your children's college, etc. This class is also for you if you want to learn how to calculate if you are investing enough into retirement and how far your retirement investments will cover your expenses after retirement. This class is also for you if you want to build wealth and want to properly track your investments to ensure you are maximizing where you put your money. I know that so many of you are happy to have created your budget for this year with me. I am elated to know that you are feeling much more confident about your finances and much more knowledgeable about how to budget and accomplish your financial goals. If that is all you wanted, that's great. I am glad to have helped you, and I am glad to continue to help you with my organizing and financial tips here on YouTube and my other social media platforms. For those who are serious about getting their finances in order for their entire financial future, then my masterclass is for you. Click the link in the description box below to join the class, and you will no longer wonder if you are budgeting your income income correctly. You will no longer wonder when you'll be able to finally pay off your debt. You will no longer wonder if you are putting enough into your retirement investments. And you will no longer wonder if you are maximizing where you invest your money. If you plan on joining the class, I'm so excited for you. Share this video with your friends. Everyone needs to budget for their lifetime. Click on the share button below right there and share it on all the platforms you can link to there. You deserve to get your finances in order. You earned your money and you deserve to make the most of it and make your money work for you and accomplish all your financial goals. So share this video because it's so fun to build wealth with your friends. You can keep each other accountable and stay on track toward your best financial future. All the info you need is in the description box below. Please join if you are committed to creating your best financial future. Share it and I'll see you in the masterclass. Happy budgeting!